In this video, to fix out of video memory trying to allocate the texture in Valorant. So first you need to go to system settings, and in this you need to scroll down and scroll for about. In this you need to scroll down and click the advanced system settings. Before clicking it, you need to check the RAM, whether you have a 8 GB or 16 GB or 32 GB, depends on that. You need to work on it, so check it, and after click the advanced system settings, and here you need to go to advanced, and in performance you click the settings, and here you need to go to again advanced, and program should be selected and click change, and in this the automatic manage should be in disable mode, and enable the customer size. In this you need to give the initial size and the maximum size. For this you need to take a calculator, and it depends on your RAM. You need to allocate it. For us, I'm using 16 GB RAM, so I put 16 into 1024 into 1.5. So initial we giving 1.5 and click OK. So 24,576 is up. You need to write it. Once it's complete, after again for maximum size, click same RAM, and 1024 and into 3. So this is our maximum size. So you need to type the 49,152. This is the maximum size. You can allocate and click set and click OK. As you can see now, the total base size is changed. After that, you need to come back and you need to restart your PC to make an effect. Okay, this is how to fix it. Thank you.